how to buy GUNZ token on CoinEx. So this token came under the symbol of GUN. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. And first of all, what you need to do, just go and log into your account on CoinEx, and after that what you need to do, but before that, make sure to find your account with some USDT. Now what you need to do after that, as you can see, go to exchange. Now click on spot trading. Now after that, in the search bar, type the token name GUN, and now you'll be able to see this pair. Now click on it. Now wait a few seconds to be able to see this pair. As you can see, we have gone to USDT. Now go to this section that have buy option, and now click on limit. Now here you can type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy GUN or GUN. Now if you select the markets, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. Click on buy GUN. So this is how to buy GUN token on CoinEx. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.